we take a look at the Sheets menu bar, the first operation that comes up is generation options. And that is not by chance, but it is meant to be done like that, because these generation options that we're going to comment now are going to help us create more easily or faster the drawings of the rest of the drawings. So if we click, we save the title block, exit this edit window, and click on generation options, we find that it's divided into 4 tabs according to the 4 types of drawings that can be generated in the software, which are parts, assemblies, joints, and model views. In each tab, we will find the possibility to add a format, predefined format to the drawing that we're creating by clicking or using templates as the one we created in the previous video. If you haven't seen it, please watch the video on the title block. And here in template, we are going to use the one that we have generated, of course, and we are going to assign that title block to the layer template. Other aspect that we can select is the organization. We are going to say that every part drawing that we generate is going to go into the category, fall into the category of groups, part sheets. And if you don't have part sheets or these types of groups right here, that can be solved by accessing the composition again. And here in the sheets options, you will find groups, and you can create groups and name them as you want. And coming back to generation options, we see that the tables available are for the assembly table. We're going to leave it like this. By the way, there's a full video on this in the quick start guides learning resources of Strubeam still. So we are going to here it says drawing options represent the root radius of the sections or not. In assemblies, we're going to do the same based on a template, and we're going to use our same template for all of them because we haven't said anything that to differentiate them. We only inserted group sheets, and it's going to change with the different options. Organization, assembly sheets, that's fine. Tags, main part. In the assembly, it's going to be most important that within the parts that make the assembly, one of them is going to be the main part. So here in tags of the main part, we can choose how we want to tag it with just the description, the reference of the part, or the reference and the description of the part. And here in tables, we're going to find that in assemblies, we're going to be able to insert a table with the parts that form that assembly. In the parts, we're going to say in which assemblies that part is used. And in the assemblies, we're going to have a table where we can see how many parts or which parts are forming that assembly. In the Joints tab of the generation options, again, we find the ability to use a template, a title block that's already predefined. Connection sheets is fine. It says the prefix number type, okay. And the tags for these sections and the planes, the reference and the description. That's fine. Here we're in the model views, we're just gonna change the type of template. Structure sheets is a number, the name of the group that I have chosen, and main part of the assembly reference and the reference of the description of the part and part tables. Okay, so we said that this configuration is going to help us create the drawings more quickly. How do we demonstrate that? Well, we're going to start by creating a part drawing in the next video, but yeah, you will see it the fast way of creating them you will see when we move to the generation of each one of these drawings, so please check out the other videos.